Hello everyone. Now we are going to see the concept of mobility. So mobility is nothing but the movement of your objects from one location to another location. So in the general definition we can say that the mobility is nothing but the your distance covered by the one object from a one location to another location. So what is the concept of mobility in your mobile computing? So it has been known for the centuries that information is power. Yeah, information is power. You know that we know we are going to share this information over the network by transmitting the bits and bytes from one location to another location. So everybody can access anywhere and anytime all these necessary information. So to convergence of information technology and communication technology has created the two address for these challenges. Okay, तो हम इस इंफॉर्मेशन को कैसे शेयर करते हैं उसके लिए हमारे दो challenges हैं. So we are going to use this mobility factor over here. Mobility is defined as the both physical and virtual objects uh, are moved or travel from one location to another location. Okay, the physical objects are nothing but the person or any device or any mobile phone. You can say that mobile phone is there, person is there, but virtual objects are nothing but the your movement of bits and bytes. Okay, so how you are going to define the mobility of bits and byte, or mobility of physical objects or mobility of virtual objects? Mobility of physical objects related to the movement of matters, whereas the movement of virtual objects related to the movement of bits and bytes. That is nothing but the information. So this is how you are going to define the mobility of your bits and bytes. Okay. So this mobility of information is led by the Joseph Henry in 1797, so 1878, who invented the electric motor and technique for distant communication. Okay, who first Joseph Henry is a developer or inventor who developed a electric motor and their distant communication techniques he implemented over there. Okay, after that, on October 4th, 1957, the USSR, that is Union of Socialist Republic, that is located in Russia, launched the Sputnik or Sputnik, you can say that. It was the first artificial Earth satellite launched from the Baikonur uh, Cosmodrome in Kazakhstan. Okay, the first artificial satellite that is launched for the transmission of your data. After that, the US formed the Advanced Research Project Agency ARPA. ARPA जो डिफेंस एजेंसी है वहाँ पर विद इन द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ डिफेंस इट विल वर्क. यूएस ने अमेरिका ने ये डेवलप किया. So ARPA was established to US to lead in science and technology. All the necessary inventions are done through the ARPA, this agency. After some of them, the important ones or important protocol or foundation of networks are developed. That is TCP/IP or X.25, where the TCP/IP is regularly used for education and defense system, where the X.25 is written or driven by the European telecommunication industry ETI, जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं. तो उन्होंने यहाँ पर उनको यूज करना शुरू किया. So this is all about the mobility of your physical objects and mobility of your virtual objects. Physical objects move, that is called as a matters. You can say that matters, and the virtual objects are nothing but the movement of your bits and bytes. Okay, we'll see the details later on. Thank you.